Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So in last class we have seen the operations on matrices, that is we have seen addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication on matrices. So in today's class we are going to see multiplication of matrices, that is multiplication of two matrices. It is different from scalar matrices. Scalar matrices we have taken one scalar element and we have multiplied it with a matrix. Right. Now today we are going to see multiplication of matrices. That means we are going to multiply two matrices. Okay, we are going to multiply two matrices, but this is possible with one condition. See here, if it is of order A cross B, if this matrix of order A cross B and if this matrix of order B cross C only, the multiplication of matrices is possible. That is, this is the number of rows and this is number of columns. Here this is number of rows and this is number of columns. So number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Okay, this should be the condition. That is, the last thing and the first thing in the order of these two matrices should be the same. If it is same, then we can proceed with the multiplication of matrices. Otherwise, if this is of order A cross B and if this is of order C cross D, see here, B is not equal to C. Right, B is not equal to C. Therefore, the multiplication of these two matrices is not possible. Okay. Now we are going to see the properties. So before that, how we are going to do the multiplication? See here, A, B, C, D, E and F. This should be multiplied with a matrix G, H, I, K, L, M. Okay. Now I will tell you how we are going to proceed with the multiplication. See here, this is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, right? 3 rows and 2 columns. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, right? 2 cross 3, that is 2 rows and 3 columns. And the resulting matrix will be, if we take this 2, the remaining is 3 cross 3, right? 3 cross 3. The first thing and the last thing, the resulting matrix after multiplying this, we will get, right? That matrix order will be of 3 cross 3. Okay. So we are going to get a matrix of order 3 cross 3. How we are going to proceed this? Okay, see here. First row, first column. To get first element of 3 cross 3 matrix. First row, first column. That is, you have to multiply these two elements plus and then these two elements. See here, A into G plus B into K. This is the first element of the resulting matrix. And again, first row, second column. See here, if it is A 3 cross 3 matrix only we should get, right? What are the elements here? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is how we will get the resulting matrix, right? A11 means first row, first column. A12 means first row, second column. A13 means first row, third column. That's how. See, this is the first row, second column. So first row in the first matrix and second column in the second matrix we have to do. See here, A into H plus B into L. This is the A12 element of the resulting matrix. Again, A13, that is first row, third column. A into I plus B into M. Okay, we have written the first row in the resulting matrix. And again, see A21, that is second row, first column. What happens? C into G plus D into K. Okay, this is A21. What's A22? Second row, second column. Second row and second column. C into H plus L into D. And A23 is second row, third column. C into I plus D into M. This is the second row of the resulting matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. And again this one, A31, right? This one is A31, that is third row, first column. Third row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. E into G plus F into K. Okay, and again this is A32, third row, second column. E into H plus F into L, and this is last term is A33, third row, third column. E into I plus F into M. This is the resulting matrix. This is how we are going to proceed the multiplication. So what we have to do, you have to first check the order of the two matrices. See here, this is 3 cross 2 matrix and this is 2 cross 3 matrix. See here, the column of the first matrix is equal to the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Right? Therefore, the multiplication can be proceeded. So the resulting will be on if we take this, the resulting is the first thing and the last thing, that is 3 cross 3. The resulting matrix order will be 3 cross 3. How we are going to proceed? See, since it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, it contains 9 elements of this form: A11, A12, A13, etc. till A33. Okay, see, first one A11. A11 means first row in first matrix and first column in second matrix. So A into G plus B into K. Likewise, you have to proceed. Okay. See here, next we are going to see some of the properties of multiplication of matrices. Okay, so they are given matrix multiplication is not commutative. Not commutative. What is commutative? We have seen this property in addition and subtraction, right? So commutative means if we take two matrices, A into B should be equal to B into A, but matrix is not commutative. See here, if we take A is of order 2 cross 3 and B is of order 3 cross 1. What is the order of the matrix AB? 3, 3, 2 cross 1, right? What is the order of the matrix BA? BA means this should come first. 3 cross 1, 2 cross 3. Is the matrix, is the multiplication possible? No, this is not possible. Therefore, we can surely say AB is not equal to BA. That is, matrix multiplication does not follow the commutative property. Okay, next one is matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. That is, if you are taking three matrices, okay, matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. This is the matrix addition. It is distributive over matrix addition means AB plus B into C. AB plus B into, this is possible. Okay, and again left also possible. A plus B into C. This can be written as AC plus B into C. This is also possible. Next one is matrix multiplication is always associative. What is associative? Associative property means it should be done with three matrices. Associative. If you take three elements, three matrices, A into BC will be equal to AB into C. This is the associative property. That is, if you multiply BC and again the resulting matrix is multiplied with A, the same result we get when we multiply AB and multiplying with C. Okay, that is matrix multiplication follows associative property. Okay. So unit element. What is unit matrix? What is unit matrix? We have seen in the last class, right? What is unit matrix? In a square matrix, if all the diagonal elements are 1, it is called as the unit matrix. So when a matrix is multiplied with the unit matrix, we will get the same matrix. That is, unit matrix is determined as I. I is the unit matrix. If A is multiplied with I or I is multiplied with A, we get the element, we get the matrix A. Okay, that is matrix multiplication by unit matrix is possible. Okay, now shall we move on to the example? See the first example. Example 3.64. Okay, 3.64. They are given two matrices A 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 5. And B 8, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, and then 5, 3, 1. They have asked us to find A, B. That is A into B. Multiplication of the matrices A into B. They have asked us to find A into B. Okay. So before that, what we have to see? We have to see whether the matrix multiplication is possible in these two matrices. So for that, we have to find the order of the matrix. Order of this matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, this is 2 cross 3. And order of this matrix is 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 cross 3. Right? See here. The number of columns in first matrix A is equal to the number of rows in B. Therefore, this matrix multiplication is possible. You have to write in words. Since the order of A is 2 cross 3 and since the order of B is 3 cross 3, the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. Therefore, matrix multiplication of A and B is possible. You have to write that. Okay. And then from this what we get? The resulting matrix will be of the order 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3 means 2 rows and 3 columns. That is A 1 1, A 1 2, A 1 3, A 2 1, A 2 2, A 2 3. Right, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, the AB should be of the form this. That is 2 cross 3 order. Okay, now shall we compute AD, AB? Okay. See what happens? A 1 1, that is first row in first matrix and first column in this matrix. See here 1 2 0 8 2 5. What you have to do? 1 into 8 is 8 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0 into 5 is 0. Okay, now we have finally finished A11 element. Now shall we move on to the A12 element? That is first row of first matrix and second column of second matrix should be multiplied. First row is 1 2 0. Second column is 3 4 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. 4 into 2 is 8. 0 into 3 is 0. Okay, and again 1 3 A 1 3. First row of first matrix and third column of second matrix. 1 2 0 1 1 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 0 into 1 is 0. Okay, and again this is the first row. Now we have to find another one row, right? And this one is A 2 1. Second row and first column. 8 3 is 24 plus 2 1 is 2 plus 5 5 is 25. Okay, and again second row second column 8 2 2. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 5 into 3 is 15. And again 1 1 1 here 3 1 5. 3 into 1 is 3 plus, see here first element should be multiplied with first element. Second element should be multiplied with second element. Don't get confused. Okay. 1 into 1 plus 5 into 1 5. Now we have to add all these and we have to write the answer. What is AB? What's the answer of AB? 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 24, 25 is 49 plus 2 is 51. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 5 plus 3 plus 1. 8 and 9. 2 cross 3. This is the AB matrix. This is the AB matrix. Okay. Now let us see the next example 3.65. 3.65. What they have asked is, they have given two matrices A and B. We have to find AB and BA and we have to check AB is equal to BA. Okay, what's the matrix they have given? A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 3. B is equal to 2, 0, 1, 3. Okay, we have to check AB is equal to BA. So what is this property called? AB is equal to BA. What is this property called? This property is called as commutative property, right? See, we already seen matrix multiplication does not support commutative property. Now we are going to prove with this matrices. See, now before that we have to check whether the multiplication is possible. What is the order of this matrix? 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 cross 2. What is the order of this matrix? Again 2 rows and 2 columns, that is 2 cross 2. So see here, this element and this element is same. So here 2 and here the first side we have 2. So the multiplication is possible for A into B. Now we are going to find A into B. So what is the resulting matrix order will be first element and the last element, that is 2 cross 2. That means it has 2 cross 2 means it has 4 elements, A11, A12, A21 and A22. First A11. First row and first column. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Again first row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Here 1 into second row and first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. 1 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 3 is 9. This is equal to, what's the answer? 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 plus 9 is 9. This is A cross, so A into B. Now we are going to find B into A. Is B into A possible? Yes, right? See, take here 2, 0, 1, 3 and here 2, 1, 1, 3. This is also of the form 2 cross 2. This is also of the form 2 cross 2. Okay. So the resulting matrix will be in the order 2 cross 2 only. Okay. See. Here too we have 4 elements, A11, A12, A21 and A22. So first element A11, first one is first column. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0 into 1 is 0. 2 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into 3 is 0. See here, second row and first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, and then second row, second column. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9. What's the resulting answer? 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 9, 10. Is these two same? No, these two matrices are not same. Therefore, AB is not equal to BC. AB is not equal to BC. Now let us move on to the next sum, 3.70. Solve. They have given 3 matrices in the multiplication form. Okay. 2, 1, 1, 2 into x, y, which is equal to 4, 5. Okay, we have to solve. Solve means we have to find the value of for the variables. What are the variables used here? X and y. Okay, we have to find the value of the variables. See, what's the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. What is the order of the matrix? 2 rows and 1 column. 2 cross 1. The multiplication of these two matrices is possible since this is equal to this. Okay, the resulting matrix will be in the form of 2 cross 1. See, this is the 2 cross 1. This is correct. Okay. Now we are going to find the multiplication. See here, the resulting will be in the form of 2 cross 1. That is A11 and A21. Okay. So first row and first column. 2 into x is 2x plus 1 into y is y. And again second row, first column. 1 into x is x plus 2 into y is 2y equal to 4 into 5. See here we have equal to, that means these two matrices are same. From this we can write the two equations. What are the equations? 2x plus y is equal to 4 and here x plus 2y is equal to 5. Right? Okay. Now we are going to multiply this with, let this be first equation and this be second equation. What we are going to do is, we are going to solve for this. Okay. 1 into 2. 4x plus 2y is equal to 8. and then the second equation. What's the second equation? X plus 2y is equal to 5. Change the symbol for this equation. What happens? This gets cancelled. 4x minus x is 3. X is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So what's the value of x? X is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, we can substitute this answer in any one of this. If x is equal to 1, what will be the value of y? So if we substitute in 2, what happens? 2y is equal to 5 minus x. What's the value of x? It's 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Hence, we have 5. X value is 1 and y's value is 2. This is what we have to find, right? So, hence we have solved for the given matrices. Next, we are going to see the next example 3.71. 3.71. Example 3.7. What they have given? If A is equal to, they have given a matrix and they have given 3 matrices A, B and C. Then you have to show this. Okay, you have to show this. So this is the assignment for you. What you have to do first? First you have to multiply A and B. Okay, then you will be getting some resulting matrix and again it has to be multiplied with C. Then you will get a whole multiplication matrix. Keep this as 1. Okay, and again for the next step, for the right answer, what you have to do? You have to multiply B and C. Okay, we will get a matrix BC. So, BC should be taken here. Since A is taken at first, A should be multiplied with BC. Okay, see this is AB. Okay, first you have to multiply A and B. The resulting answer you will get. So, this AB should be multiplied with C. Okay, and again for the right hand side, you should multiply both B and C. Then you get B and C, right? Before BC, you have to multiply A with BC. Okay, this should be A. This is, we should not take this as BC and this as A. Okay, what you have to do? Here it should be A and here it should be BC. You will get a resulting matrix. Take this as 2. Then you have to show that 1 and 2 are the same. Okay, now example 3.72. Example 3.72. What they have given? They have given 3 matrices. We have to verify A into B plus C is equal to AB plus BC. That is multiplication is distributive over addition. Okay, we have seen a property of that. So, we are going to prove that. What are the matrices they have given? A is equal to 1, 1, minus 1 and 3. What is B? B is equal to 1, 2, minus 4 and 2. What is C? C is equal to minus 7, 6, 3, 2. Okay, what you have to prove is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is what you have to prove. Okay, see. First, let us take the left hand side. Okay, see here, this is the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix 2 cross 2. Here is also 2 cross 2. Here is also 2 cross 2. Therefore, we can perform addition also and also we can perform multiplication. Okay, see, let us take first left hand side, LHS. Okay, for LHS first you have to take B plus C. So, you have to add B and C. What's the addition? You can directly add the elements respectively. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? So, what is A into B plus C? What is A actually? 1, 1, minus 1 and 3. What is B plus C? Minus 6, 8, minus 1 and 4. So now we are going to perform the multiplication. This is of order 2 cross 2. This is of order 2 cross 2. The resulting will be the order. The resulting matrix will be the matrix of order 2 cross 2 since it has 4 elements. So this first one is here 1 1. First row and first column. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. And again here 1 into 8 is 8 plus 1 into 4 is 4. See here, minus 1 into minus 6 is 6, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 1 into 8 is minus 8, 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. And see here, 8 plus 4 is 12. And this one, 6 minus 3 is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, 4. So what we get? Minus 7. So here A into B plus C is equal to minus 7, 12, 3 and 4. Okay, let this be 1. Now we are going to go for the right hand side, RHS. Okay, for RHS what you have to first take? A into B. So first A into B is equal to what is A? 1 1 minus 1 into minus 1 3 and B is 1 2 minus 4 2. This is of order 2 cross 2. This is of also order 2 cross 2. The resulting will be the order of 2 cross 2. Okay, 4 elements, right? So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. And again second, first one, second column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 3 into 2 is 6. What's the answer? 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Okay, this is AB. Now we are going to perform A into C, right? A into C we want. What is A? 1, 1, minus 1 and 3. What is C? C is minus 7, 6, 3 and 2. We are going to multiply this. 2 cross 2, this order is 2 cross 2, its order is 2 cross 2, the resulting matrix will be having the order 2 cross 2. So 1 into minus 7 is minus 7, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into 2 is 2. Here minus 1 into minus 7 is 7. Okay, 3 into 2 is plus 6, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, 3 into 2 is plus 6. Okay, now minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. Minus 6 and plus 6 is 0. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to find AB plus AC. So you have to add this. While adding, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. 4 plus 8 is, what is 4 plus 8? It is 12. And again, minus 13 plus 13 is 0, right? And 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 4. See, actually this is 16. Second row, first column. Okay, this one and this one. Plus 7 plus 6 plus 9, 16. Okay, this is 16. So 16 minus 13 is 3. Okay, take this as 2. See here, check 1 and 2. Minus 7, 12, 3, 4. Minus 7, 12, 3, 4. So what's the answer? We have proved this, right? So we have proved that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Hence verified. Okay. Now we are going to see the last example, example 3.73. Example 3.73. What's the question they have given? They have given two matrices A and B. We have to show that AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. What's the matrix? A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1 and 1. What is B? B is equal to 2, minus 1, minus 1, 4, 0, 2. What you have to prove? You have to prove AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, we know transpose, how to find transpose we have seen in the last class. Okay, see, before that let us take LHS. For LHS what we have to do? We have to first find AB, A into B. Okay, A into B. So this is of order 2 into 3 and this is of order 3 into 2, right? 2 rows and 3 columns, and here 3 rows and 2 columns. See here, this and this are same, therefore AB is possible. So the resulting matrix will be of order 2 cross 2. It has 4 elements. Okay, so first row, that is A11, A12, A21, A22 alone. Okay, A11 is first row and first column. This one and this one. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 into 0 is 0. Okay, and again first row, second column of second matrix. First row is 1, 2, 1 here, minus 1, 4, 2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 4 is 8. 1 into 2 is plus 2. Okay, and again A21, second row and first column. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 into 0 is 0. And again A22. A22 is second row and second column. This second row and second column. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 into plus 4 is minus 4. 1 into 2 is plus 2. Okay. So what's the value? 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 0 is 0. Okay. See, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And here 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. And here minus 2 minus 4 is 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4. See, 0, 5, 9, minus 4. This is of order 2 cross 2. Now we have to find AB the whole transpose. What happens? AB the whole transpose means, since it is of order 2 cross 2, when it is reversed, 2 cross 2 will be the order. So AB the whole transpose matrix order is 2 cross 2. This becomes, the first row becomes first column and second row becomes second column. What will be the answer? 0, 9, and the second row becomes second column. 5 minus 4. Okay, this is AB the whole transpose. Let this be 1. Let this be 1. Okay, 0, 5, 9 and minus 4. Now we have to find RHS. For RHS what you have to find? You have to find B transpose separately, A transpose separately, and you have to multiply that both. Okay. See, what is B? B is this matrix, right? This is of order 3 cross 2. So what will be the B transpose? B transpose order will be, the order is reversed. The B transpose order will be 2 cross 3. That is 2 rows and 3 columns. So what happens? This first column becomes the first row, right? So 2 minus 1 and 0, and the second column becomes the second row. Minus 1, 4, 2. It can be said either this or first row will be made as first column 2 minus 1. Second row will be made as second column minus 1, 4. Third row will be made as third column 0, 2. Okay, see what's the order of this? 2 cross 3. Right? Transpose 2 cross 3. Now we have to find A transpose. A transpose. What is A here? A is of order 2 cross 3. When it is reversed, what happens? The order it becomes 3 cross 2. Okay, 3 cross 2. So what happens? This first row becomes first column, that is 1, 2, 1, and the second row becomes second column, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. It can be said either like this, or first column is first row 1, 2, second column is second row 2 minus 1, third column is third row 1, 2. So what's the order of this matrix? 3 cross 2, right? 2 cross 3, it changes 3 cross 2. Now we have to find B transpose into A transpose. What is B transpose value? 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 4 2. Order is 2 cross 3 into what is A transpose? 1 2 2 minus 1 and 1 and 1. What is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 2. Now we are going to perform the matrix multiplication. See here, order the second term and the first term, it is same. Okay, it is same. Therefore matrix multiplication is possible. B transpose into A transpose. What is the order of the resulting matrix? 2 cross 2 is the order of the resulting matrix, that is 4 elements. 4 elements means A11, A12, A21 and A22. A11 is first row and first column. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 0 into 1 is 0. Second one. For A12, first row, second column. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 0 into 1 is 0. And here, second row, A21, right? So, second row and first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into 1 is plus 2. And again, A22, second row and second column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 2 into 1 is 2. This is of order 2 cross 2. Okay. See what is this? 2 minus 2 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And here minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Okay, take this as 2. See your first one 0, 5, 9 minus 4, and the second equation also 0, 5, 9 minus 4. That is 1 is equal to 2. What is 1 is equal to 2 means? AB, the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. So with this we are completing this sum, and we have completed all the examples of this subdivision. Okay, so only one sum I have given as assignment 3.71. Okay, complete the assignment and send it to me through the Zoho app. With this we are completing this video. In the next class we can see the exercise 3.19. Thank you students. Let's meet in the next class.